Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to be doing Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 26. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Ayat number 26 is Inna Allaha la yastahi an yasriba masalam ma ba'uzatam fama فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين. So let's look at the translation first. Indeed, Allah is not shy to present an example that is of a mosquito or what is even smaller than that. And those who believed know that it is a truth from their Lord, but those who disbelieve say that what did Allah mean by giving intent by this as an example? He misleads many thereby and guides many, and he misleads not in no one except who are defiantly disobedient. So Quran is the word of Allah, and Allah who is the most knowledgeable, Al-Alim of all. Yet he made it easy for us to understand. He gave multiple examples in it to make us understand the Quran, and this is the quality of a great teacher that he explains concepts by giving examples. Now the disbelievers and the hypocrites got a chance to ridicule the Prophet ﷺ and also the Quran. They mocked that what does Allah mean by giving these examples, by giving this like a specific thing as an example. And then Allah tells us that these parables, these examples increase the iman of the believers because they know that it is from their Rabb. But the disbelievers, however, they are led astray because they do not understand because of their arrogance. So let's look at the ayat again. That is Inna Allah la yastahi an yazriba masalam. Indeed, Allah does not shy away by giving the examples ma ba'uzatan fama fawqa, of a mosquito, or even something that is even smaller than that. فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, so those people who believe, فَيَعْلَمُونَ, they know, أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ, that this is the truth, مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ, from their Rabb. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, and as for those who disbelieve, فَيَقُولُونَ, they say, مَاذَا أَرَادَ اللَّهُ بِهَذَا مَثَلًا, what does Allah mean by giving this as an example? يُزِلُّ بِهِ كَثِيرًا, he misleads many by these examples or by the Quran. وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا, and he guides many through this. وَمَا يُزِلُّ بِهِ إِلَّا الْفَاسِقِينَ, and he does not misguide except for those people who are truly disobedient, arrogant, who don't want to listen. So this was the ayat for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll do the next ayat. Fi amanallah.